Welcome back to the channel, my people. So if you have been following the 4-bedroom upstairs house build, this is it. You can see behind me, guys, most of the blocks are up. Just a few little walls leave to block up, and then we can cast. We can start cast the stiffeners, columns, lintels and stuff like that. So that is the next phase of work. But before we reach there, guys, let me show you what is going on. So this is a back room, so this room is supposed to continue. I'm gonna extend to get some space around here. So right down there, building's gonna extend, go over. Storeroom is gonna go underneath here. Also, kitchen area is gonna extend, and the next back room or over the right side over there is gonna extend a little bit to get some more space in it. So that's the next mission. This is the block work. As you can see, just like 5 block heights, some of the areas on the footing to hold the walls. We want to leave them just like that, so we cast some of the footing. Rest of it needs to go up. This bathroom needs to block up because of these piping. This bathroom wasn't finished blocked up, so pipings are out of the way for now. Well, not really yet. Have some more correction to do with those pipings right here, guys, and then can get this bathroom blocked up, you know. You know, man. Get the side clean up. Start box up some stiffeners and columns. So this is a front room right here. Most of the walls are up. Gone to lintel. So these lintels gonna sort out later on. This is a small closet area for this room. The entrance into the bathroom. Private bathroom for this room. Have a passage leading from the living area to both rooms over this side. Bathroom is gonna go on the back of this room around here when it extends out. So that is it, my people. Have a kitchen around here. One pink bath around 3 places. Yeah, man. So this is the kitchen. It's gonna extend also. And we have the living and dining out there. That is it. Over on this side we have a single bathroom. Gonna feed these 2 rooms. Front room around here. Ready for boxing up of these stiffeners and lintel. That is it. This bathroom is up and running. Just the stiffness needs to cast out and get the lintels sorted out as well. That is it. Go through a small passage around this back room. This back room gonna extend as well, my people. Get some more space in it because these rooms are small, you know. Yeah, man. So most of the block works are up. 2 tradesmen do this in the peeps. Just call it 2 weeks out of work, stealing up the place and carrying up all of these blocks. 2 tradesmen, 2 laborers did all of this work. So we're going on fine. So this is a view from the back of the building. A lot of house that guys when it goes up fully. It will be a lot of house. 4 bedroom, 3 bathrooms, kitchen, washroom is gonna go on the back as well. Living and dining. It's a nice little structure, you know. Yeah man, that is it. This is a view from the back of the building before we start shut it up, guys. So when it's shut up, you will see the rest of it. So stay tuned, man. This is the private bathroom wall. So we have sorted out the piping and we have bring it up to 5 block heights. So we are filling the block holes and then we run one horizontal bar on it. So as you can see, the horizontal bar is there. When we finish full out the block holes, we're just gonna pull it on and tie it up with some binding wire, and then we'll bring up the rest of the blocks on top of that. The white black hole we're gonna be in here. Heat like this. So right now we're getting the horizontal bar in place. So stay tuned, guys, and watch the process. That one can't go to the door, man. Just lean over them out of the way. Lean them out the way, you understand? Lift up him, man. That's the spirit soldier. Hold the foot. Voilà. Take him at the steel. Alright, me boy. That's the spirit soldier. Alright. That is it. All walks the horizontal bar. There it is. Switch it up. So this is a view of the bathroom wall after the horizontal bar has been installed. As you can see, we have brought it up to a couple block heights. And Mr. Correction is there putting on some blocks. So we're gonna carry this right up to belting. Soon be there, man. So right now, my people, we're gonna build up some farm work so we can start cast out some of the stiffeners. So we have ripped the ply in two, and this is a 2 feet farm, 2 feet by 8 feet, and we are using 1/3 lot on it. The ribs for this farm, they are placed 2 feet apart, and this is to strengthen the farm work so it doesn't bulge when you start casting your concrete. Right here I'm putting on the last few blocks to bring up this wall to belting stage. So guys, stay tuned and watch how we do it. Boss, I want to deck tonight in a bit. This is another 2 feet farm that is being made right here. So this correction is just putting in the ribs first, and then you just drop on the piece of 2 feet ply on top of that and nail it up.
Right.
It seems so.
Because walking on it.
Put on your sheet in pan there, brother.
Yeah, man, generous man. Yeah, I'm big to the belly can. Yeah, tough your heart.
Banana chips.
Yeah, you want to
Wala deh. Go along that. Kasi abunan na rasa.
check it out. Lie down.
Look if you go on the wall, brother dear. I want about 6 more inch. No woolly man and get them a 1 meter here from. Be harsh man them can come.
Actually, the last building I did, the last you like.
So, I bought the cars are black hole. Which one of them?
Dynamics concrete.
A black hole, I see a full sub. Never see a mix of concrete.
Concrete.
Just you come down off for one scaffold.
Slim shot. So it's careful left and stuff. So if you pin myself to your wall. So I try to give me stuff on the rubber. So I give up water. I don't want it.
What are you doing up there, son? Yeah, the pressure in can't talk, man, sir. Oh. Right on the wall now, sir. That 1 yard of concrete on the board we take off tonight. Still a weight on the box now. Yeah, just boss me, brother. Come on, Benny, let off them, man. What's it? Did I hold, sir?
You did?
Now, where I come from? Downstairs? This is a 2 feet turn for a closet for this room. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Just in the next video when we're boxing and casting the stiffness.